Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to connect Tinder to Instagram. If you want to connect your Instagram account to your Tinder profile, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to connect your Instagram account to your Tinder profile, first tap open your Tinder application and log into your account if necessary. From the main homepage of Tinder, tap on the human icon in the bottom right corner. Once you do that, this will take you to your profile. Tap on the Edit Info button with a pencil icon in it at the top right hand. Now, scroll all the way down until you see Show My Instagram Photos option. Tap on Connect Instagram in red. Now, go ahead and type in your Instagram credentials, that is your username or your email address, or you can also type in your phone number in the first text box, and then type in your password in the next field. After you're done, tap Login. If you want to save your login information, then tap on Save Information on this browser, but if you don't, tap on Not Now. Tap on Allow if you'd like to continue sharing your information with Instagram. After you're done, you'll be able to connect your Instagram with your Tinder. All of your Instagram photos will be shown in your Tinder profile from now on. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.